nearby. I have to find a spot before dark. The water is so clear. Look at the fish. It's the perfect spot. Nhìn ta. For fuck, it worked. Oh, I did it. All right, must walk quickly. Focus on the thickest parts first. Không đi đâu đó. Keep pushing. Woo! Yeah. Almost there. That's your hold. I must keep going. Oh, one more breath. Down we go. It's finished. Lingy! And just in time. The water needs to flow cleanly here. Yeah, yes, that's perfect. I think this piece will be perfect. It's taking shape beautifully. Almost done now.
The softness of the bamboo is key to the elasticity. This technique ensures comfort, even without a mattress.
This driftwood is perfect. A tea table from the forest. I think I got one. Yes, I definitely got a big one. Definitely got a big one.
Yes, this is it. We will expand the slab here to create the perfect private bathing area.
Almost there. Just a little more.
Now it's perfect, quiet and private.
Keep them from climbing up, and I need to make sure this is tight.
Almost finished. Just need to secure the ropes now. Make sure they're tight, my Hoa. I must dry this properly before lighting it. Just a few more pieces.
The colors of these flowers against the golden bamboo, they'll be perfect for our survival house.
Almost finished with the first one. Just one more to go.
Perfect. It's working. It's working.
The sky is turning black. A big storm is about to hit.
The calculations were accurate. It's safe.
Time to get this wood stacked. Good job. The rain is coming soon.
Hopefully this works. A fish already? Ready. Looks like we're set.
I think this is the perfect spot.
Wow, it's coming along beautifully.
Just a little more. Looks great.
Con nung tiền lồng nung cho con mà con nung một kia cho liền ha. Oh, look at them. They're so beautiful, swimming happily around the bamboo.
Finally, I'm home. I made it. I conquered it.